How to log into Lewis Bank online banking account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Lewis credit card account online. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your preferred web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in Lewis credit card login. Once it is so, you will see its official website on your first search result. Tap open it, then you will land onto this page. As you can see, the home, credit, and Lewis reward credit card. Tap on credit at the middle section. Now here, choose the credit card that you would like to log in for. Tap on pay and manage account. Then you'll get landed onto this page. Here, simply type in your user ID. Once done, type in your password at the box below. And in case you would like the site to remember your user ID for later, check the box that says Remember Me. Once done, tap on to log in. And if your credentials matches your account, you will successfully get logged into your Lewis Bank account. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.